Now this is the Black Wolf Turbo tent, and I'm just going to put it up for you to show you just how easy it is. First of all, obviously we open the bag. Okay, this part here is our tent. Then the rest there I've got with my other bits and pieces. Okay, so we take the strap off, stand the tent up in the site you've chosen, check out which entrance has got the door. You've got your Black Wolf badge there is on the side with your door. Unclip the strap, let the legs fold out, unclip your straps off the centre knuckles. Now we're just going to pull the tent out and get it into position. The next step is going to be to peg the tent out. So I've got my little bag here with my pegs and poles. Okay, now we're almost there. Next step is to straighten the legs. And as you straighten the leg, you'll hear the pin just click into place to lock the leg. Okay, the next step is really easy. We just pop inside, grab the middle of the hub and push it up into position. Now we've got our turbo inner up. The next step is quite simple. We're just going to throw the fly on and then we're done. Okay, now at the front of the fly we've got an awning, so that goes at the front. The fly just clips on. Then it's just a matter of throwing the fly over the tent. Now I've got our two awning poles, a couple more pegs and my hammer. Just extend the awning poles out. You can adjust them once you've got them up. You need a couple of guy ropes. Okay, there you've got your ready pitched turbo tent.